Manda Maibuye Africa. We're going to sing Nkosi Sigelela Eribina Haina Sekhoa le Siburu. Haribini Distem. Kariki Pina Bolai Babulailen Bachako 1976. Amanda So Skela Itibala Hair Ribina Nkosi Sigelela Elen Yakatwa Ki Inoxondonga Ele Bino Hano Zabalas. Amanda Nkosi Sigeleli Africa Malupagani Supondolwayo Izwa imitandazo yetu Nkosi Sigelela ti Lusapho lwayo Nkosi Sigeleli Africa Lwayo izwa imithandazo yetu Nkosi Sigelela Tina lusapho sithi uzabuya sithi uzabuya uzabuya oyi ngwele Nkosi Sigelela Lwayo Morena Bulu Kasichaba sa Yesu Ufedise dintwa limatswe Nyewo usibuluke Usibuluke sichaba Sichaba sa Yesu Sichaba sa Afrika Usibuluke Usibuluke Morena Sichabasa sahe au sichabasa Afrika magube jaloma jalo gute gube gun pagate gute gube gunapa magube au magube au njalo gute gube gun pagate gute gube gunapa au magube au magube Aunjalo gute gube gun pagate gute gube guna pagate manza tina sizoli lavo asili fumane awe sizoli lavo ayo bayo Israela me awi Israela me awe si ali lami thina siyalithanda thina sizolilwelabo awuyelele mama izwe lami mandla.
Siyabonga Komisa Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Uyacula uKomisa ucula kamnandi. Amandla. Now ngizocela ukubiza uProvincial Secretary uMadwaba uKomisa Lisela Madwaba to give us a welcome message because we are here in Gauteng province. Amandla.
Amandla! Ayirule EFF ayirule. Ayirule EFF ayirule. Ripilele Julius Malema ripilele. Ripilele Julius Malema ripilele. Halala Wipatong halala. Halala Sidibeng halala. Halala Gauteng halala. Thank you, Program Director. Let me take this opportunity to acknowledge and welcome the leadership of the Economic Freedom Fighters under the leadership of Commander-in-Chief Julius Malema. May I further take this opportunity to welcome CCT members that are here, including the Gauteng Provincial Command Team, the RCTs of Gauteng, even other leadership from outside Gauteng. We welcome you. Furthermore, we welcome the delegates of the Student Command we have gathered here to come and attend the National Student Assembly, the second one here in Sidibeng. Leadership of Wipatong Sidibeng, we welcome all of you who are here present today. As we assemble here, we know of what happened in 1976. The students of 1976, what they demonstrated to us is that they do not fear death. What they said to us as South Africa is that issues that were discussed in the boardrooms, issues that were discussed by the cabinet leadership, they came out openly. And they then conscientized the society to say, even when they kill us, we'll forge ahead until victory is certain. Now amongst us, we have got our own. We launched a gigantic movement 2 years ago called the EFF Student Command. What they taught us as the leadership and the community of Gauteng is that issues that were discussed in the boardrooms in relation to the fees, in relation to academic exclusion, in relation to the decolonized or the colonized education came to the fore. Now we are proud to say for the past 2 years, what was discussed in the corridors was put in the public, the community, the entire nation was conscientized through the Students' Command. Amanda, we welcome everybody here. This is your province, CIC. This is the province that you are going to win in 2019. Amanda!
Provincial Secretary wethu waseGauteng. I'm going to call our Treasurer General, Commissar Ian Mateus, to come and introduce our CCT members who are here with us. Commissar TG.
Viva EFF Viva! Viva EFF Viva! Long live the spirits of the youth of 1976, long live! Long live the spirit of the youth of 1976, long live! Okay, my job is very easy and I'm not going to take up a lot of your time. I'm going to ask first the leadership, the coordinator and convener of the Sidibeng region to stand up and just wave from where they are. And because this is a national program, we have also been graced with the presence from different provincial leaders. I'm going to start with the Northern Cape chair. He's here, he can just stand and wave. And then we also have Mpumalanga leadership that are here. And let's not forget Limpopo, they're always in the house. Limpopo. And then, of course, our hosting province, we have some of the PCT members on stage. I'm going to ask them to all stand and wave. The PCT, there's only one. Okay, it is. And then all the CCT members, can all our CCT members stand up? This is your central command team. Thank you very much. And the officials, we have with us today our DSG, our Secretary, Deputy Secretary General, Khamisile Hlengiwe, who's also our Program Director. And she's busy chatting at the moment, but you do know who she is. And then, of course, we have our Secretary General, who is the engine of our organization, Khamisile Gottfried Gadi.
Amanda! Amanda! Haikule EFF, Haikule! Forward with the spirit of the young people of 1976, forward! Forward with the spirit of our people of Bopaitong, forward! Thank you very much.
That's our SG. And then, of course, we also have our Deputy President, who's also our Chief Whip in Parliament, and make sure that we keep the executive accountable in Parliament. Khamisile Floyd Shivambu.
Amanda! Viva EFF, viva! Phambili EFF, phambili! Phambili EFF, phambili! Amanda! Away, two! Thank you very much.
Siyabonga, I'm going to hand back to the Program Director.
Thank you very much, our Treasurer General, Commissary Mathies. Amanda! Amanda!
Of us, the history that the 2016 youth has brought about was to ensure that our country is free of oppression. We are free of all the wrongs that are going on as we speak now. My brother Mbuyisa Makubo, just want to say one or two things about him. He's the one that was carrying Hector Peterson. His job was only to save life. He did not want to be a hero. He just wanted to save life. Unfortunately, he was hounded by the police until he left the country. As we speak now, we don't know where he is. We don't know whether he's alive or he is dead. But we want to take this opportunity to thank the fighters for assisting us all the way in the past years to march, to do a campaign to find him. Amanda!
Thank you very much, Mr. Wandile Makuba. Siyabonga kakhulu ngamazwi message of support osinike yona. So now I'm going to call our Deputy President to come and introduce our Commander-in-Chief. Deputy President.
Amanda! Long live the June 16 generation, long live! Long live the fighting spirit of Tsetse Mashinini, long live! Long live the fighting spirit of Mbuyisa Makubo, long live! Long live the fighting spirit of Khotsosi Atula, long live! Long live the fighting spirit of Hector Peterson, long live! Amanda! Viva EFF, viva! Long live the Commander-in-Chief, long live! Long live the Commander-in-Chief, long live! Long live the Commander-in-Chief, long live! Amanda! Away, two! Thank you very much, Deputy Secretary General, Commissar Hlengiwe Nkalipi, the Program Director, the SG, the TG, the National Chairperson in absentia. The National Chairperson is always presiding over the national events of the EFF. But today he is attending a funeral in the Eastern Cape and he couldn't join us. But I'm here to introduce the leader of the revolution. I'm here to introduce the leader of the economic emancipation movement here in South Africa and the entire African continent. I'm here to introduce a great Pan-Africanist. I'm here to introduce the leader of all the socialist progressive forces in the African continent. I'm here to introduce the Commander-in-Chief and President of the EFF, the incoming President of South Africa, Commander-in-Chief Julius Malema. Commander-in-Chief. Amanda. Amanda. I will, EFF, I will. Tata, EFF, Tata. Long live the fighting spirit of the people of Wipato, long live. Long live the fighting spirit of the 1976, June 16, long live. Amanda. Thank you very much. Our Deputy President, Secretary General, the Deputy Secretary General, and our Treasurer General. Let me take this opportunity to salute our Central Command Team. What we call Central Command Team is necessarily the national leadership of the EFF here in South Africa. We also have, as introduced, our Provincial Command Team and our interim leadership corps in Sitibeng, and leaders of all regions in Gauteng, the home of the EFF, and leaders from other provinces. We salute you on this important day as the economic freedom fighters. We're saying to you that we must follow in the footsteps of the 1976 generation. Every generation must have its own mission. And the generation of 1976 was to realize freedom in their lifetime. Many of them were killed, many of them were exiled and never returned. Many of them lived to realize freedom in their lifetime. But this generation, following in the footsteps of Tsietsi Mashinini, must also define clearly its own mission. And our mission is to achieve economic freedom in our lifetime. We must know that as a generation that exists today in the struggle, we want to be like Zed Mazubuko. We want to be like Elias Masinga. We want to be like Sibongile Mthembu. We want to be like Mbuyisa Makubo, Hector Peterson, Antoinette Sithole. We want to be like General Stue Nyanda. We want to be like Tokyo Sehwale. We want to be like Chris Hani. We want to be like the 1980s generation. We want to be like Peter Mukaba. We are the fearless generation. We are a generation that finds itself in a situation where black people suffer from economic oppression. We are fighting our own struggle. The children of 1976, they were not disrespectful. They had to act because parents were not acting. Parents had given up. Parents had accepted their situation. Parents were even beginning to say it is impossible to remove the apartheid regime.
Some of our parents were even saying white people are brought here by God to come and rule over us. But the youth of 1976 said, to hell with that narrative. They refused to believe that God sent white people to come and rule over us. The youth of 1976 said, we've got our own language, and therefore Afrikaans is not going to be imposed on us. We will rather be taught in our own languages, or languages that are acceptable to all of us. Afrikaans cannot be a medium of instruction. Now, Kaudi and the SABC should have learned from the 1976 generation that when you announce a cultural shock, the people will react. Today, you cannot take a microphone and say, we're going to have 90% South African music on radio. People will react because you are introducing a cultural shock. When you do that, and if you are genuine, you do it gradually, slowly, without any announcement. By the time people say papara, 90% is playing on radio without any cultural shock. So, we who exist today, we are also not disrespectful to our parents. It looks like the 1976 parents, our parents have accepted the current situation. Our parents are happy with what is happening in Wipato. Here in Wipato, when you enter, there is rubble all over. There is rubbish all over. The township of Wipato is not clean. The township of Wipato is not developed. The houses are still a reflection of apartheid houses. Yet our parents continue to vote for the party that is treating them the same way apartheid treated them. We, the youth of Wipato, must not accept this situation. We must stand up like the 1976 and say it will not be done in our name. We are going to fight this government which is disrespecting the people of Wipato. We must stand up. And I was happy when I came in. I saw a lot of roads barricaded with bricks. That is what you must do when they don't deliver to you and to our people. We are not ashamed of the protest led by communities. We are part of your protest. Your pain is our pain. And that's why we'll take it upon ourselves to liberate the people of Wipato. There is too much money in the municipality. In the Sidibe municipality, there's a lot of money. Marabai Wutwa Mashodwa. By Wutwa because Batwana le Papa Bona Zuma one show. Hey, now Zuma takes our money to Dubai. And then Simon Fuke takes our money to KFC. Oregadi take away for 1 million rand because he's got no respect for the people of City Bay. He's got no respect for the people of Wipato. The power is in your hands. You have to fight this rot. To the core. We must take out the rot. We must take head out the rot We must fight corruption. We must confront corruption. We must defeat corruption. We must not be compatible with corruption. Zuma is stealing our money to Dubai. That is the same money which must build houses in Sibuke. That is the same money that must build schools and give people water and electricity in Zambela. That money has been taken to Dubai. In South Africa, our parents are not doing anything. They are folding their arms like the 1976 parents. And when Malema and the EFF challenges the corruption, our parents, like the 1976 parents, are saying these children are disrespectful. That is what they said about the 1976 youth. If 1976 youth had listened to their parents, we won't be where we are today. Once you feel aggrieved, wherever you are, stand up and take a stand inspired by the 1976. Boipato is a very important place in the history of struggle in South Africa. We will be commemorating Boipato massacre tomorrow. That's why we chose this place today. We did not choose this place because we were bored. We wanted to remind the current government that you have forgotten about the people of Boipato. But Baba Lulegi, Balole Maburu, 45 people were killed. Those people did not have AK-47. Those people did not have a grenade. They had their anger and they had their stones, and they said, we are going to collapse apartheid regime brick by brick until we realize our freedom. We salute you, the people of Boipato. We came here because you must be honored. We came here because we want them to remember Boipato. We want them to know that this is not just a place where black people reside. This is a place where the struggle against the murderous apartheid regime was inspired. Everywhere else in South Africa, when we remember the suffering of the people of Boipato, like the suffering of the generation of 1976, we got inspired and stood firm against the apartheid regime. Simon Mofoke, Kentate Oelongore, Mamo Taba Kaufela Mo, Sidibemo. Kentate wa Jan Chelete, Yarona, Didi Chomita Ae, Bapila Go Yuale, Banwa Yuala, Kachelete Yasichaba, Samo, Sidibemo. Rebata Mota Uri, when I'm Fuke, your days are numbered. The people of Boipato are very angry with what the ANC did to them. But Mamo Boipato, le bat Basidibe, but Bakaute Kaufela, Barbai voted ANC, Maraba voted la corruption, ye Bentemo in the whole of Gauteng. We want to say to them, the government of the EFF is ready to take over Gauteng. We will deliver to our people. Let's not lose our hope. Realwana. Retilemo retlo pasabadimo. Boipato massacre. Retlemo retlo pasabadimo. 1976. Rekobona baskebe batena in their graves. We are here to pick up the spear and continue the fight. They fought a good fight.
and we will continue with that fight. Kaufela, Bachaba, South Africa, don't lose hope. We must be inspired by the youth of 1976. Rebata mesebeti for banabaluna, rebata mesebeti for the youth. Ntweki kupang over to South Africa kaufela are engaging in innovation. Let us be creative so that we can create jobs. The youth must come with ideas, and the government must finance those ideas of young people. Why lona Bachaba South Africa, le Bachaba Buipato, Bachaba Citibank, le Palake Bacha, Bako Japan, le Palake Bacha, Bako China, Batlile Kadi cell phone, Batlile Kadi iPad, Batlile Kadi electronics. Why are you not producing something unique and create jobs for yourself? Because you are gifted, you've got talent. There is nothing special about America. There's nothing special about China. There's nothing special about Europe. There's nothing special about Japan. There is everything special about Africa and South Africa in particular. Why are you not coming up with creative ideas? We want to support the youth ideas. In Johannesburg, the DA is ruling there because of EFF support. If you've got a nice idea, bring it here. Johannesburg will finance it by force. They will finance it by force. We will support youth innovation. If you've got a beautiful idea, something unique, Tshwane will finance it because the EFF is the one that made it possible for the DA to be in power in Tshwane. We are for a black child. We want to support the ideas of black children. Don't come here and say to us, I want to open a shopping mall. Because many of you here, I don't know, Komisam Tini, for sure when you are doing door to door, a lot of black people will say to you here, Rebata Molo, Rebata Molo. The mall must fall. We want industries. We don't want malls. We want industries. We want the factories to open. Mall for what? It's just to consume. Let us stop being consumers. Let us now be the owners of the economy. You cannot own the economy without industries. You cannot own the economy without factories. The family kwethu bona rebata di budo di femetse ana rebata ra di budo di one ke lona batho ba buipato rebata di one ke lona black people le tloela na rokari. Oh, there is no factory ye karaniwan is na le khoa. Many of you think that industry or a factory means a shop owned by a white person. Even a black person can own a factory. Stop demanding malls. The EFF will not build malls. Let me tell you, if you want a mall, don't vote for EFF because it won't build a mall. We don't want a consumer's economy. We want you to own factories. How about the factory? How about the misebeti? Say to the EFF, Bulandi Feme. Hey, but why is not to a quality Muakwa? Quality no nali puso, Bargia Ramudige, Yabantu Stelle Patu. Every township, they had factories. They were building factories in those townships. Today, every township built by the ANC, it goes with a mall. o reka kae ke molong o sa sebetse. You know, these people come from, you know, we're not taken care of here. Let me take care of myself. These people of the ANC, they took over government, but they don't know what to do with the economy. Because how do you give people malls without jobs and say those malls are going to come with jobs? Banabes, mesebetsi ya ko di molo ke o ba shopkeeper ko rekisa ka mo shopo. Hey bana, why must we go to a university only to become shopkeepers? We want to open factories. Rebata wetsa mesebetsi in the arts department. Rebata bana ba o actor, rebata youth ya o DJ ya, rebata youth ya o itse art. If you had the opportunity in the SABC to display their talent, o SABC ha re batle hore o sebetse di mascot tsa ANC fela. Ha o se ANC la o ka ba le talente ha ba fi opportunity in the SABC. Ke ba bangata bana bona ba itse mo actor, but because ha ba itse sai mo fuke, they will never realize their talent. Re batla youth me, re batla bana ba ba ye sekolo, and ba ye sekolo ba le go tlatsa form ya di tendera mara o batla tender. So let's make sure that we educate our children. Bana ba lwana ko university mama ba lwanela need, bana ba lwanela thuto, bana ba ha ba lwanela hore dikolo di kwalwe, ba re bula mati a dikolo, re batla ho kena sekolo, because we know that education is an ultimate liberation. E bana ba lwana ba lwanela dikolo, le re bana ba senya, our fees must fall, le re bana ba senya, bana ha ba senye, ba re bula menyako ya dikolo, re batla ho kena sekolo. Batswadi ba, the children in the universities, they sleep in the toilets. Havana accommodation, babala ko patela di flats, ko Bramfontein, barobala ka di toilet, barobala ka di library. But one saying, ka 5 o'clock, ba taba, or securities ka ba kriya. Ba ko di gymming o say, ba gyma, ba kremetse a chisang, ba hlape, by university. Why banaba basokola? It's because they know that their mothers in Wipato, their fathers in Wipato, they cannot afford. They are not telling you that pain. They are fighting it alone because they want good for these families. They've accepted that education will take them out of poverty. Barabala ka di toilet, ha bo sele ba ya ko sekolong ka kwano tloko ba ilonya ka mabotisi mo la tlolang teng dijo ba topa ba yo ja ka khoneng ba khutlela classeng ya ba ka founela hae o sebetseng Bumbawano, ko hae, barekisa ko sekolong sa high school, Wipato High School, Bumbawano sokola ko university. The mother is also struggling. Barekisa makip-kipi, locating your school. Those children deserve free education. Those children deserve our protection. Those children must be celebrated. Those children must be honored. Those children, their names must be read all out for all to know them and salute them for loving education. Because today, our communities don't celebrate people who love good things, including education. Let's celebrate Aditsotsi. Mo Wipato, mo for sure. Ona Litotie, Wuchani Koloi Mona. Ona Litotie, Shabamba to come a Paka Mona. Yamu celebrate. Half Fitaka, Prejudia Raluva. Let the Brasabaneba. Maraba Ruanaki Ona, Utwa University, Haler How. What our rates about? Happen today, Mona Wipato. Reba Turnali doctor because of you. Banaba Sokola, Enzi Balaseti Matso, Habarba Bua, Barrobala Godi toilet, Habarba Bua, Barrobala, Godi library, Barlia Toitoya, Kelenaba Malema, Baba Betakadi Tieges. How do you beat up people who are asking for education? Shame on you, ANC. Shame on you, Jacob Zuma. Shame on you, Platin Zimande, for beating up our children, for demanding the right thing, which is education. We are proud of all of them. We are asking the student command to continue to help those children. Banaba University, Kaufelalona, wherever you are, Yakuba tonight. Tamalo Kabanaba Namo the toilet mo. Tamalo Kabanaba and the library. Mateba squat na in your rooms. Open your doors for the poor. Open your doors for the needy children. No child must sleep in a library. No child must sleep in a toilet. If you are black and you've got a proper room, please go to the toilets tonight. Identify one and take him there. We want to call upon the management of universities. Please overlook the people who are squatting in the rooms. Pretend like you don't see them. We know that the lack of your own creation, it is an empty creation which lacked vision, which doubted that people will respond positively to the call of going to school. We say to the rectors, we say to the security, stop chasing the squatters away. Let them squat with their own fellow black brothers and sisters. If you are black, and if you call yourself a black person, and you know a child that sleeps in a toilet, you know a child that sleeps in a library, and you are doing nothing, you must know that you have given away your blackness. Because black means kindness. Black means caring. Black means ubuntu. Black means moto kabatu. That's who we are. And therefore, we always take care of strangers. In the 70s, in the 80s, never accommodated the stranger, di fita fela. Basa baiti, motoar kitimeti, ke batla kwa malema barumana ka ke busiu, robala mona, utlatsua utela pili, kaliet. That's who we are. That's what African means. We take care of each other. Let's love one another. Comrades and fellow fighters, we must tell you today that if you don't see the light in the EFF, then you are permanently lost. No one can rescue you. South Africa, we present to you an alternative left formation. So, utama uiwa mona, barmalema aru DA isanti Helen Zille, they will not vote for DA. Let's tell you one thing. We will never vote with the ANC. We are in this mess because of the ANC. okay, how we now na ke botse batho ba EFF not to vote for DA. How do I go back to explain to the people of Wipato, or na I voted for a party which took electricity away from them for 2 months, for whatever days? Because we must have a situation where we are held accountable by our people. The ANC has allowed this white arrogance. These whites are what they are today because the ANC converted itself into a security guard of white capital. So if you come to my house and you want to deal with Julius Malema and you find the security at the gate, what do? You deal with the security before you deal with Malema. The ANC is the security. We must deal with the security of white capital, then deal with white capital itself. They are the ones who created this mess. South Africans, the problem of Tshwane, the problem of Joburg and PE is not the creation of the EFF. You decided to vote for the parties that you voted for. We are in this situation because of the voters. Stop blaming it on the EFF. We are not and we will not vote for the ANC. We will continue to vote with the DA, the IFP, and any other party that is opposed to Machingilane of white monopoly capital. And the defeat of Machingilane of white monopoly capital will mean now we are going uninterruptedly straight for white monopoly capital. That's who we are. Hey, if you don't want to vote for us because we are not voting for the ANC, keep your vote. We're not going to be speak here in folk tongues here. Reto rapeletsana le batho ba ANC, reto rapeletsana le di mascot da ANC mo EFF mo. Ha ile ro agent ya Zuma tsamangkandla. Na na taba le batho ba Zuma in the EFF here. And let me tell you, we don't owe Zille anything. We said to DA, deal with Zille. Bafita ba mita Musimaiman abita Zille. What's what they khatlile abita manyana wa lekgowa. Amme a mona. A mo khalemela jwalo ka school girl or wena. Ntwa o Twitter lo papa. O ka re kenya trabolo. Madam, I'm sorry. Madam, I will not do those at my yuan. Relative look how you are low. Every Pinama Hoa Mana. Ever to a Calabar Tropa. Regatina Rama Hoa Zilla Nabo. Musima Mana, sit here. Stop being Jatara. Sit here. Call to order. Onana Rankere in the Zuma. Atwitile Zilla INC. Never come meet a go ANC call to order. Zumali showed Le Yala Mahaka Maha. Never Sadi Baba Utwite Teletearona. We made it to buy. Every time court, it will call to order. Mara ANC has never done what the DA did to Helen Zille. They never said to Zuma, come and sit here, small boy, because the ANC is bigger than you. You sit here and say, I'm sorry. They've never done that. Let me tell you, they can go to hell. We don't care about the ANC. We don't care about their sympathizers. I'm not here to win elections. I'm not disparate to be a president of South Africa. I will not engage in disparate moves to get EFF the vote. We are building this party from the ground. Slowly, slowly, surely, so that when he takes power forever and ever. Because if you're going to be in a hurry, if you want power like a popcorn, and then you get power like a popcorn, you're going to collapse like a popcorn. Hey, when you go to buy elections and get 11 extra votes and get 2 extra votes, I'm happy. This party is growing bit by bit, bit by bit. I've never joined the struggle to be a president of South Africa. I don't want to be president of South Africa. I want to build a formation which black people can trust, which black people can celebrate forever. I want to build a formation which black people can say, this property called EFF is 100% black owned, and be proud of it. Let me tell you, if I was disparate for, I would have said to DA, take Tshwane, I'm taking Joburg, I want to be a mayor driven with nice air-conditioned offices. It's not power for me. It's building an alternative which is formidable, which is grounded, which can be trusted by every single individual. Even if it takes this EFF more than 50 years to be in power, so be it. The ANC took power in 1994, it was formed in 1912. So what? We didn't take so many days, already we are in parliament. Say, Shokumesa, in parliament. Oh. Whether we're right or right, it's a ha. We are in charge of South African politics. Whether they like it or not, we are here to stay. We are going to trouble them. The white monopoly knows that the EFF is the only reliable voice of black people. Black people, I want you to unite. Black people, I want you to love each other. Please, when you provide services to another fellow black person, provide quality services. Let us show these white people that we can make it ourselves. Fellow fighters, we must make sure that we support black business. There's too much money amongst us here. But babona buipato ba ready o sebetsa ko Vanderbilt Park ba berekela le guru le mo fa 2000 rand again 2000 rand eo we sebedisa kaofela mo transporto mara nna ngare ke a mo hira ke nna mo lekeisheneng ke le motho moso ke re ke mo fa 3.5 a re ka sebedisa motho moso never ke berekela motho moso nna. Why do you say that? It's because you hate yourself. You don't have confidence in yourself, and therefore you hate everything black. How na le feme? Reitzur feme ka motomot. Ariendo reka ko feme you. Dispensa di kwetsi mona buipato. Le reka ko di molo. Why? Le nana ke maemo ka molo o una ke le khoa. Le ha ke reka ko score. Ngaze reke mo spazing sa malachi mo ha. That's a self-hatred. Let's buy from each other. Eba, ona le musimane mo wa chomiaka mo tsamo o ka embuiseng. Tibo touch o tona mo dibeko. O twa Sharpville Tibo touch. Musimano o butsi radio station. Ba re ke Touch HD. Why wena o zanga wa download Touch HD? Mara o download le Twitter, o download le Facebook, ya o na ke makhuwa ama foreigner. You are happy, but you will never download Touch HD. Why? Moshimane wa Sharpeville nna a ka tla ntella. That's how you are. Let us stop that attitude. Go venda kwa ona le bank mo ba re ke VBS, ba re ke VBS. Ile yona e thomile ka o papa ka o fa sumalo mane. Mana re ba forgive or ba file le show loan. Ka re be ba tla mo kwalla motho a palle ko patela tšhelete re mo kwalle VBS e ka mo payla out. Anyway, Zuma is black, VBS is black. It's a bank owned by black people. Lena Keleso, Hakina account, go VBS, ya venda, ye go high. Kibuda account to ya banka, lidi banka tamaburu. We must support VBS. We must support every bank that is black owned. VBS belongs to us. Not until Barke Absa. Banana or Malema or Occupy Absa. Hey, Bamureki, the Doy Occupy Absa. Usarobe Zutabu Yamuto, Munakelego Absa, Occupy. And when I occupy Absa, I kill by Simana by 2-3. Why it's ever red beret. I feet a fella upside to Kuala all over South Africa because the EFF would have arrived. Even Ereki would say the enemy says at EFF or occupy Absa. This guy Shebela Kole is Shebelin before the end of this year. It looks and it looks unannounced because that's how we take the battle to white monopoly. Relwanta VBS, Relwanta Kasuma, Reba naive, Mara, in the bigger scheme of things. Man, wait. This is a black-owned bank. Why should we hate a black bank because it gave a black person called Zuma a loan? Let us support our own. Many of you don't even have Casper Nyovest CD Tuto, the latest. CD ya Casper Nyovest Tuto. How na yo na? Marakamo haya how mo umatakani CD zama kuwa ako America. You don't support our own artists here in South Africa because you hate everything that is black. We must support each other. This pulling down syndrome amongst black people must come to an end. Hamanawaka next door, Hapasite, Hante, Alinaka, Aliloyara, Oskata Maumata Dinaka, everywhere, Obata Motopa Mautu, Kimanawa how, no one am celebrated, or my neighbor is happy, the happiness of my neighbor is my happiness. Because a black child does not only belong to biological parents. A black child belongs to the community. The success of every black child is a success of all of us. Jacoba 1976 is about blackness. 1976 is about black consciousness. 1976 was inspired by black consciousness. And that black consciousness was conceptualized by Steve Biko. Let us not get it twisted. So, Kaufe, Haritama, we must say we are black and we are proud. And we are going to make our people proud. ANC is a black party that represents white people. It has forgotten about you. Akebatole botsa mathata ANC ya itse antle. Ba le fili toilet. Ba le fa di toilet, ba le fa toilet tsa kontle. Ba le fa toilet tsa kontle, ba le fa toilet tse sa flashing. Ba agamatlu, ba agamatlu amanyane a fetang ke matlu a apartheid. Ba le fa motlakase wa teng ha o bata wa tsamaya. Motlakase wa teng o gutla ha o tshesa fela. o tlo di bone dipaomao tseo di palela ko rana puso ga o na ditsela mo re nnang teng mo o bona mo batho ba bantsho ba nnang teng o bona ka ditsela fela ga o tsena di-dumping area mara ga o kena ka toropong ga o na dumping area. Fighters ba Sedibeng, fighters in Sedibeng, and all councillors of Gauteng, tomorrow you must come back here. I want you to clean up this place and remove all the dumping areas in this place. We want to leave this place a clean place. Please make sure this place become beautiful. Let's clean every dumping area here so that Haritsamaya, after 2 months, Hamachila Akutela mo dumping area, Bommeba Ronabare, Black Yarona is a little clean one, where EFF Mona. That is the legacy we must leave for our people. We are going to fight for electricity Mona. Retlo Luana Ntweu, Retlo Mota, Ntate Makura, Lentate Paul Ashatile, or Batwaro Nabala, Laitikile Kata, the Fu Mona, Ntoki Bonimo, Lebuluka Mutumo Dimao in a small grave. That's why there are running fast. But what we battle, but was booking, but was Sedibeng Kaufela, killing others until you understand they fight for the land more than anyone else. Harena lefasi, hauna lefasi au pila, hauna lefasi au shwile. That thing must come to an end. We want our people to be buried in a dignified way. We want our people to own the land when they are alive. We want our people to own the land even when they are dead. Le face realebak. Le face al khute le matekwana lona. Le batla le matekwana le face ke a rona. We want the mountains and the beautiful sea. It belongs to us. Ditlapitse mo Val River mo ke tsa rona. Re batla a bien rona le fase. Le tloele o tshaba. Paul Mashatile a re batho ba ska occupa le fase. Paul Mashatile ba na rutse bo le fiera. We don't know you to be a coward. The land belongs to you. This is your land. Oh, hanyane. Abar matisa maponesa rabale. Rabale batanyana 2 minutes rakutel. If our the day the police are tired, then we settle forever. That land belongs to us. That land must be occupied. Every time I walk on the party, they want to imprison me. I will never stop talking about the land. The land is who I am. Kibuaka le fasilaka. Kibuaka le fasilabun tate muhulu baka. Kilwanela le fasi. Leba twabantu. Baileba babulawa lona. Never retreat on the land. The land belongs to you. We bottom, let me tell you. Refile batho ba bangata lefatshe. Re se puso, a se rona puso anywhere. Mara batho today ba na le pleke e ba e bitsang gore ke lehae la bona. Because of EFF. Continue giving our people a place to call home. Because that's what we are fighting for. A place to be called home. So all of us, let's go. Let's build this organization. The Student Command, the delegation of Student Command, I'm going to speak to you tomorrow. You must be in your best behavior. We want discipline. We want fighters who are exemplary. No one should want to be a leader of the Student Command at all costs. Power, we don't fight for it in the EFF. We earn it through our work. EFF has a village on my knees. I'll not say what motho o joina mona lekgotleng today bo mama o joina today o setse a batla setulo ba tshwenya batho ba nako a ke tswang teng mona ho na le kereke e kgolo mona ba re ke ZCC mona ha o le mola kerekeng mona ha ba o kolobetsa today ha o tswe ka hosane wa bo kana baruti ba nna kae ha re sebetse bjao ra o kolobetsa wa apara dikhaki wa matha ka dikhaki for many years ha re o file promotion re change dikhaki re o fa green one then we promoted after many years of service to the church. Please, if you want positions, not here, you can go to the uncle's place called the ANC. Mola walwa ni wa papa yate. More, we want disciplined, peaceful people because you are the hope of the hopeless. Hallelujah. Bonkgono ba be mona le bona yalo ba re tlo bona re ntse ka re ne re tshepetse baneng bana. Batho ba ko Mikuku, the unemployed youth, the excluded youth from education. Hallelujah ba re jalo re tlo bona re ntse because ne re tshepetse yona EFF yena. Unity of purpose. Let us hold hands. Let us defend the EFF. Let us build the EFF, the only party of black people. Let me take this opportunity to thank all of you for coming, to thank the organizers. I know you worked very hard. Commissar Mgrini, Commissar Sindani, and the whole team, the leadership of Gauteng, Malisela Ledwaba, we are seeing and active leaders who are working very hard. We salute you for that. The ground forces continue to make us proud. We are proud of you because you work very hard for the black people. I salute all of you. Amanda! Amanda! I wule yefe by wule. I wule yefe by wule. Yefe priya sebele twa. Halala. Yefe priya sebele twa. Halala. Oh halala. Halala. Oh, halala, halala. Iye pepe ya sengete loa. Halala. Iye pepe ya sengete loa. Halala. Oh, halala. Halala. Oh, halala. Halala. Amanda. Amanda.